currently in Greece and it's my first time in Greece. So what other way to explore Greece for the first time? Learn on a sailboat. Security as well. We can let the boat do it. With us still long-lined and still no motored dinghy, one of us this morning had to jump in, untie us and be pulled back into the boat.
She's so small and it's not easy.
But it's time to leave Fiskardo, so we're taking up the anchor, taking in the fenders and getting ready to go to our next destination.
Oh my god! Oh, I've got goosebumps.
Flipper! Oh, you can see them underwater, kind of. Look, it's right there.
It's there for a while.
Oh!
So exciting.
Wow. Oh, it's a baby!
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
No, it's alright. Go.
Oh my god.
Oh wow.
That's quite big. Oh no, it makes you quite emotional, makes you want to cry.
There we go, to the back.
What a fantastic shot that is if that comes out of there.
Oh wow. Oh my god, there's so many of them. Oh my goodness!
Oh, they're checking us out. They're so beautiful.
Oh my god, we just saw some dolphins and I had as soon as I saw the dolphins I had to grab my phone just to capture this to send to my dad and things like that, because that was just amazing. And it's so I feel so privileged because they really stayed, they checked us out and they had a baby as well, so I had a good 10 minutes watching the dolphins, which was just an amazing experience. I've never seen dolphins, or I think I've seen them before but not in their wild habitat. We also saw one small stingray as well, which was amazing, which I didn't capture, but it was just so amazing. I'm so excited. We're gonna, after this afternoon, go round to the south of Kefalonia where there's a red beach, which is really exciting. Our skipper's been around Greece quite a lot, because this is obviously her boat that she shares, but she's never been to this red beach, so it'll be really exciting for her to do something new as well. Guys, if you however do go to Greece, I have never tried crisps that are just this good. Oh my god, I love tzatziki in general, but tzatziki Lay's, heaven, 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 heaven. Oh my god, yeah, it's really short. Please. So this is 4 hours in the making. Or more for us to get here.
This is
It's really dark orange.
lie to you guys, this trip was a little bit disappointing because as you can see, we are nowhere near the red beach. It turns out that from even where we were, the water was incredibly shallow and there was no way our rudder was going to make it any closer to the beach, which is such a shame considering we came all that way and couldn't even tell the colour of the beach from where we were. And obviously, again, we had no motored dinghy, so that really prohibited us from getting any closer at all. So I think if I was to go on a sailing trip again, I feel like a motored dinghy is very essential to this the sailing trips. I already mentioned that this area was fairly uncharted waters for our captain, literally, and we had expected to spend a couple of hours on this beach that we could not reach. So looking through books of what to do in the area, we realised that a nearby town called Elysia had a place where we could finally refill our water tank. So we had our next mission.
Tank is now filled, we can now shower, excellent news. But the tank's a little bit dead, so we're crossing the sea and we're going to the capital of Kefalonia. Oh my god, the sun. But it's all like it's a Saturday night, hopefully the capital's going to be buzzing. Also, after like we did all that mooring and whatnot, like I'm not used to doing the lines as I've already mentioned, so I'm hoping that I'm going to get better and better and that I learn, because it's just so stressful because it's like three of us mostly don't know what we're doing. So it's like, oh my god, where do I throw this?
Correct.
Oh. Should I throw it back?
Wrong way. You chucked it wrong way.
Well, so much for getting better, but that's okay. And now I can really say that I understand the deckhand's pain on below deck.
Wonderful. So sorry. Get your wet rope in just right as you love.
After a long day of travelling, and it's time for some well-deserved mojitos. Okay, so after the run we need some soda water. Oh, we need some lime.
We need the lime. You've got the... No, we want ice first. This is
Yours.
That's alright.
Oh, is it stronger? Ooh, that's very strong. In the last episode, we take on what Kefalonia's capital, Argostoli, has to offer, which did you know has loads of turtles in its waters. Continue round to Poros, which honestly you could convince me was next to a jungle, and finishing up in the beautiful town of Chioni.